Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a baddie body on Dress to Impress. So let's get started with the video. We will need the coconut, and I'm just going to color it the same as my dress here. You can add the material, but it's going to take a long time, so I'm just going to color it black. Then we're going to select the hold toggle. Then yes, we are going to use the apple. And then we are going to toggle it to rotten to the core. Then we will need an iPhone for this, so we do need VIP. So, oh my gosh, I don't remember where everything is, so I'm sorry if I like go around a lot. Here it is. You can color it to whatever color you want, like the phone. I'm just going to color it like red, I guess, or brown. I don't know. I'm just going to color it black. And then you don't need to toggle it, but I'm just going to leave it for now. Get the pumpkin, and we're going to color it the same as the dress. So I do need that glitter on. Press side. Then we're going to go back to that phone toggle and just select whichever one you want. Maybe this flat one or a flat no head movement to make it look like you have a baddie body from this side. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.